B. 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 B is for ball. The ball bounces when you throw it. It's fun to play with. Ball. B. B. Ball. B is for banana. The banana is yellow and tasty. You can peel it before eating. Banana. B. B. Banana. B is for bear. The bear is big and brown. It lives in the forest. Bear. B. B. Bear. B is for butterfly. The butterfly has colorful wings. It flutters in the air. Butterfly. B. B. Butterfly. B is for bird. The bird can fly in the sky. It sings beautiful songs. Bird. B. B. Bird. B is for balloon. The balloon is filled with air. It can float up high. Balloon. B. B. Balloon. B is for book. The book has words and pictures. We read it to learn and enjoy stories. Book. B. B. Book. B is for bread. The bread is soft and comes in different shapes. We eat it for sandwiches. Bread. B. B. Bread.